Alright, you guys, I know you guys have been waiting for this moment for so long. Well, today's the day. Today's the day that I mow it and I show you guys how my lawn looks after all that hard work. That hard work definitely paid off. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. I just want to say, you guys, do not be afraid to seed. Do not fear the seed. It grew very, very well. Unfortunately, a ton of weeds everywhere. You can see them all poking out over there. You know, there were so many weeds to begin with. It was kind of inevitable because I knew a bunch were gonna grow. I don't even know what this thing is over here. Kind of tumbleweed looking thing, but I mean, this grass is definitely it's grown so much. You know, I'm very, very proud of the progress. Couple of bare spots everywhere. I'm not sure why it didn't grow. Maybe there wasn't enough soil or some kind of weed or debris blocking it. But actually what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna mow it really high, you know, trim off a little bit, and I'm actually going to just top it off with some extra seed. I'm not going to lay the peat moss down just because of you know, I don't want it to harm the growing existing grass, but something like this I will probably put a little bit of peat moss on top of it. Right now it's fall right now, it's getting kind of cold actually, so I don't know if I'd really need it, but yeah, I just want to make this grow a little thicker because it's kind of thin. It's not too thick, but I mean, I'm very, very pleased with the results. I mean, look at this. It grew so much. It grew an exotic solar lamp. That's some good seed right there. Weeds started growing over there. That's how good the grass grew. It took all the weeds over here, started growing over there. That's how good it grew. Rosebush came back, even though I pulled that out with my truck. That's how good it grew. Took everything, threw it over there. That's what I want. Over there. Not over here. Over there. I'm not sure if that was the right move because I just left a bunch of tire marks everywhere. Hopefully it just pops back up. Hopefully that wasn't anything too major, but I'm gonna go ahead and lay some seed down. It's getting kind of dark, so hopefully you guys can see me, but I'm just gonna slap some seed on. If it grows, it grows. If it doesn't, who cares? I got like 30 pounds extra seed, so